I'm Gina, GIA Gemologist with Legacy Jewelry Appraisers and Buyers. Now, let's talk about the difference between a lab-created diamond and a cubic zirconia. First of all, the lab-created diamond is exact composition as a true diamond. A cubic zirconia is a crystal. It's man-made. So the difference between the two will be detected on the correct device. There are the devices for both of these stones that you can buy these devices online, but I like to use always a qualified GIA gemologist for you to make sure that these diamonds are inspected, that you're purchasing. Now, one of the large caveats with buying a lab-created diamond online is that they are to be laser inscribed. However, after they're being lasered inscribed, they are also being taken, the inscription is being taken off, and those are being sold as a true diamond. So you must make sure that your diamond is inspected by a qualified gemologist. The other caveat here is that a cubic zirconia is many times being shown and sold to the individuals as a lab-created diamond. Now, I know this by experience because when I do appraisals at my location, clients come in, they purchased a ring with a lab diamond. However, that lab diamond has no inscription and it is in fact a cubic zirconia. This also is the same where customers come in to have their item appraised, and the diamond that is supposed to be a diamond is actually a cubic zirconia. So it's very, very important that you bring your jewelry into a qualified appraiser. There's a lot of people purchasing online, and this is the way our industry is now. But do not mistake your own professionalism and what you're learning online when you're talking about the difference in tens of thousands of dollars. Please take these items in. There's many things that a gemologist can look at to determine if the diamond has the value for the price that you're paying. We'll get into that with other videos that I'm going to share with you. And just to give you just a small tip about that, there's a lot of clients that come in, they want to buy a diamond online, they're looking at a VS diamond, DEF color, they get it for a quarter of the price that they would get it in the store, but there are many factors about that diamond and the reason why they paid a lot less for that diamond. So we need to understand there's many more things than what you think you know, which I appreciate because I'm also one that loves YouTube and learns many, many things online. But when you're talking about your wallet and a large amount of money that's going to be invested in your diamond, you must get your appraiser, your GIA certified appraiser, to please inspect and to evaluate these diamonds or to pre-approve your purchase and at least give them a chance to look at maybe some other options based on what they know is a beautiful diamond, the quality, the color, and why that price is going to be different from what you found online. So hope that tip helps. Plenty more to share with you, and please subscribe. And so we can give you lots more tips. Take care. Bye-bye.